2 crore tax-free income. Is it possible? The answer is yes. How? I am going to tell you in this video. Are most welcome to my channel AKT Associates. So some of my friends, one day as a joke, he was saying that is it possible to get 2 crore tax-free income? And then I studied on that, and then after I confirmed practically yes, it is possible, and it is possible with all legal means. I'm not asking you to do something illegal. It is all the purview of Income Tax Act, and how I'm going to share with you in this video all the calculation and everything. So still, if you are thinking not to subscribe this channel, think again. This channel can really save you a lot of money as a taxes. So share it and subscribe it now. So let's begin and understand what is basically I am talking about. So friend, if you are earning 2 crore income in any business, I'm talking not about profession, I'm not talking about engineers, doctors, lawyers and chartered accountants. I'm talking about business people who are doing business. So you can literally have tax-free income if you have income more than 2 crore. I'm going to show you through a calculation how it is going to be possible. I show the calculation to you. So friends, if you have 2 crore of income, if you are going under section 44 AD, there you have to declare only 6% as a income. It's not tax, it's a income, and 6% of 2 crore is 12 lakh, and after 12 lakh you can do this savings as well. So like 80cc you can do 50,000, you can further invest in NPS. Then after that you can do some you can buy some mediclaim in which you can cover yourself, your parents. You can do some medical test, 5,000 for you and 5,000 for your parents. Then you can, if you have house loan, you can claim interest up to 2 lakh rupees. Medical expenses, if you are spending, you can spend up to 1 lakh rupees. If you have your son, daughter, or legal you can say become guardian, you can pay for their education loan. Okay, so this can be unlimited. The interest doesn't have any limit, so you can go as much loan you are getting on the education loan, and you can pay and you can get a benefit. But I have taken here just 2 lakh rupees yearly, and of course you are saving so much taxes, you should do some donation. But good part is this, here you can do the donation to the you can say NGOs which you believe are doing really some good work to the society. And after that you will get, of course, your basic deduction of 2,50,000. If you total up all, it is 12 lakh rupees. So taxable income 0, so tax on that is 0. So this way you can see practically it is possible to get 0% you can say 0 tax on an income of 2 crore rupees if you are falling under 44 AD. Now friends, one thing I want to say tell you before I just close this 44 AD, you have to select your business code very properly. So if you select wrong code, like you are a professional lawyer, chartered accountant or something else, and you are if you're opting this, definitely income tax department is going to reject your claim, and they will do the assessment as per normal provisions. So although it is possible, always it is better to consult a chartered accountant before selecting this option, also before doing this tax savings, because some of them have a limit. For example, if you want to do donation, the maximum donation you can do is 10% of your adjusted income. So there is different way of calculating adjusted income. So yes, practically if I'm going to tell you, yes, it's possible to get tax-free 2 crore income. Okay, some people will say, sir, it is not an income, it's basically a sales, it's basically a turnover. So you can assume that way also, but in normal sense, normal language, generally we use the word income or sales. So whatever you say, if you are in any profession, even in a profession which is not listed as a income tax, still you can seek this sections. Even you are a professional, but you are working as a subcontractor somewhere where you are doing some kind of work, and where you are using your services, plus you are using some material, you can definitely qualify for this also. For example, an IT engineer, if he is doing some repair and maintenance contract with a big company, and he is supplying parts also, and he is doing repair and maintenance, it's basically a subcontract and not a technical service. Technical service is only where you have to use mostly your you can say expertise, and you don't have to supply any kind of product. So there are lots of things which can be cleared once you discuss with your chartered accountant. You can discuss with us also. You can send your queries, you can send your WhatsApp. I am telling this I think multiple times. So always be sure before taking any benefit. But at the end, if I say yes, it's very much possible to get such kind of deductions. So friend, as you can see, you can almost save 3.5 lakh if you have a house. Okay, if you buy a house, 1.5 lakh as a principal payment and 2 lakh rupees as a interest payment. So if you are still looking to buy a house, how to buy, what are the different things you have to do, I have a channel dedicated to this where I share tricks and you can say tips which can help you to buy your dream home, plus save some taxes and plus get a best possible deal. The channel's name is Asset Angel, and you can see that channel on this link here. So friends, as you have seen in the calculation, it is physically viable. It's possible, practically possible to have a tax-free income of 2 crore rupees. But still, if you have your questions, query, surprises, you can share all those in the description box, in the comment section of this video. And if you have some private questions where you are going to share some private data, please don't put as a comment. Send those questions as a you can say email to me. The email ID of the same is mentioned here. Apart from that, if you want to have a chat or you want to send the documents on WhatsApp, then our team's WhatsApp is given here. So you can just send that on this address. Apart from that, if you want to do some kind of tax planning, you have some questions, you can send it. Of course, if it is a question where I have to work or my team have to do some workout, they will be chargeable. And if it is simple straightforward questions, I will answer there itself. And in the next FAQ on financial on tax planning, I will share those questions to my other viewers also. So that's all in this video. Thank you. Have a nice day.